Welcome to my bedroom tour. Hello, this is my room. It's kind of pastel ya. Jadi aku balasin satu-satu. Okay, so to the left ini ada kayak apa ya namanya, stand baju gitu yang baru aku beli dari Shopee. Ini tuh tempat aku taruh baju-baju yang kayak jarang aku pakai, jadi aku bisa langsung lihat dan lebih bisa sering dipakai gitu. Terus I love hats and caps, everything. Jadi aku ada kayak satu stand buat bucket hats dong, cause I love bucket hats. Terus ya ini tas, tapi kayak tas yang lain tuh ada di lemari. And then di sana tuh ada kotak-kotak sepatu doang, soalnya sepatunya udah kotor kan, jadi di luar. Terus itu sepatu yang I haven't wear yet, so I'm just gonna put it here. And then moving on, this is my bedside table, nakas. Ini emang dalamnya tuh berantakan banget, so I'm not gonna show it to you. And this is the face that I painted myself. Ini tuh awalnya dari kayak botol aqua gitu loh, aqua reflection ya? Iya, aqua reflection. Terus I just painted. Kalau yang ini emang vas putih gitu. That's my bed. Oh my god. It hasn't been long since I woke up, so messy banget. And then ini tuh meja lipat yang berguna banget sih, buat kayak kalau malam-malam sambil tiduran gitu main laptop, enak banget. Terus that's my laptop. Ini bukan stiker yang digabung ya, ini emang kayak satu gede kayak gini tuh emang beli. Nggak tahu, lupa beli di mana. That's my bed. It's pink. I know I love pink. Dan nih sofa kecil aja, kalau misalkan aku mau tidur siang biasanya aku tidur di sini, soalnya kayak dari luar gitu kan kotor, so I'm not gonna like go to my bed because I'm from outside. Udah gitu lucu banget. Lihat, this is kayak tempelan vintage gitu, vintage poster, mini poster that I bought from my friend. I'm gonna like put the Instagram handle here. It's so cute. Yeah, and then ini ngecas di sini. Terus this is the bedside lamp or whatever, but I don't really use it. And this is the current book that I read. Although I don't really read that much, but I'm determined to read a book a month. So yeah, that's my 2021 resolution or whatever. And that's candle that I will never light it. I would never light it because it's too pretty. Oh, and this is my violin. Oh my god. I haven't played for so long, but like I played it like 2 days ago, I think. Gak tau kenapa tiba-tiba pengen. That's the view from my bedroom. And then this side, it's kind of messy though. Aku udah berusaha ngerapiin, but like still. That's my graduation photos. But oh my god, agak nyesel sih because I think I was at my heaviest, like 62 kg. So look at my chubby cheeks. The fuck. Oh my god. This is family friendly, yeah. And that's the doll that I got from my family. Oh, I used to love dolls. Oh my god, this is me when I was like 10 years or something. I used to love dolls. I used to love Powerpuff Girls too, but I hate Blossom, so I don't have Blossom. Yep. And then this is cuman buat bagus-bagusin aja sih, so just put it. But I actually read this one. I love the Crazy Rich Asians series. Not series, I mean like the novels. Aku baca ketiga-tiganya. And then this is my candle collection. Ya belum banyak sih, but I'm gonna buy more. I know that I'm gonna buy more because I love scented candles. And then this is the book that I just finished recently. Oh, this is my album, man. This is my treasure. Yeah, I'm a sim for NCT. And that's also a little candle. And this right here, I just finished arrange it up. So this is my Polaroid camera that I never use. I don't even know how to use it, I think. Oh, and this is a gift from my friend Debrina. Ooh. She made it herself. Oh my god, so cute. Oh, this is a gift too from my cousin Fiona. I love it. And then this is a box full of like not Polaroids, what is it called? Like photo box photos. I'm not gonna open it as well because it's so messy right there. So yeah, this is like a congratulations gift when I opened my business from Debrina as well. Shout out to Debrina. This is my tumbler, so I don't usually I usually bring my tumbler to my room at night because I don't want to like go out, go outside. It's just to like drink water. And this is my lighter. Ooh. This is just like a little shelves where I put like my stuff. I don't know why this is that. I don't usually use this table, even though this is meant to be like a study table because I don't study. Yeah. Calendar, it's from our moment as well. And then this is just my book collection, although I only read like 20% of it. This is the only plants that I can keep because I'm not like killing, but I'm not like I'm not good with plants. Oh my god. Yeah, so cactus is the only one that I can actually keep. Books, and then comics. Oh, I used to love Conan so much, but you know, when I was SD, I couldn't sleep after I read Conan because nggak tau lah, kayak serem aja, takut gitu dibunuh tiba-tiba. Oh, and I used to love Miko so much. I think Tape was my first crush, whatever. And then this is also like some novels. Oh, Raditya Dika. Oh my god, I love Raditya Dika though. Yeah. This is spray for my cactus. I don't usually spray it because you know cactus can live without water for like a long time. I don't know. This is my wardrobe that I don't want to open because it's too messy. I'm probably gonna, like, if you're curious, I don't know if you would be curious or not, but I probably would make a separate video. So yeah, And that's basically the end of my video. I'm probably gonna make a part 2 if you guys interested. I don't know. So